I was walking around the bakery, looking up, down, looking in all the crevices. I'm thinking maybe someone stashed some behind something. They were gone. Barrels are here. It's 3 feet tall and about, I think, 22 in diameter across. Well, I'm washing the pea pebbles now. I made the mistake of putting too many pea pebbles in the bucket at once, so I got another pan and I'm washing it, and as you can see, they get cleaner faster. On the river rocks, this is them dirty and that is them clean. So here's the charcoal that I need to crush. Put it into this bucket with this to protect from the dust. Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me on Working Shopper. I've been working on my water filtration system and I have some concerns. So I did some research on it and I just want to share that with you. The concern I had was the charcoal, because a few years ago I bought a water bottle that had a charcoal filter in it. I ended up getting sick after 3 days. So now I'm online researching whether or not building a water filtration system using charcoal is actually gonna, make me sick. I looked at several sites, science sites, medical sites. I even looked at a site that describes how water is filtered in nature. So this particular site, called sciencing.com, boiling, distillation, filtration, and chemical treatments. Boiling is one of the fastest, as long as you have a heat source. It says 3 minutes can get rid of a lot of bacteria and viruses. And distillation, as long as you have the proper equipment. Then filtration is by forcing water through objects with small holes, like mesh and rock and charcoal. And then chemical treatments include iodine, chlorine, and sodium dichloroisocyanurate. The acronym is NADCC. The Brita filter I use has activated charcoal. The reverse osmosis system has activated charcoal in one of the canisters. So how is it possible that the filter I bought years ago made me sick, but the water filters I use today don't make me sick? So, what is charcoal? Charcoal is made from coal, wood, or other substances. It becomes activated charcoal when high temperatures combine with gas activating agent to expand its surface area. And that I got from WebMD. Then from the healthline.com. Okay, so activated charcoal. Charcoal that has been treated with oxygen at very high temperatures to make it more porous. The treatment changes its internal structure, reducing the size of its pores and increasing the surface area. The charcoal's porous texture has a negative electrical charge, which causes it to attract positively charged molecules, such as toxins and gases. When liquids or gases pass through the activated charcoal, they bind to it through a process known as absorption. Charcoal can interfere with the body's absorption process. Charcoal shouldn't be consumed every day. Charcoal shouldn't be consumed less than 90 minutes before or after nutrient-dense meals, prescription medications, or vitamins. It says, pay attention to activated charcoal dosing. A very small amount, less than 1/4 teaspoon, goes a long way. Vomiting is a reported side effect when too much charcoal is consumed. Do not, in caps, ingest activated charcoal every day. My guess is that particles from that filter might have been leaking into the water, and that's why I felt nauseous and bloated. And I am going to place the charcoal into a case, like a pillowcase or some kind of cotton mesh. Hopefully that will eliminate the particles, the charcoal particles, from coming out into the water. That's just some research I wanted to do before making this water using charcoal. I was pounding up the charcoal today and I had black hands. I managed to get them all off with a few washes, but now my hands are dry. I mean, I suffer from dry skin anyway, but these are like majorly dry skin. But yeah, I believe once I put the charcoal inside a pillowcase or some kind of cotton barrier, I believe I will be okay. So this is going to be a project that I am interested in taking on. These are pretzel bites. They are miniature versions of the ones they sell at Buffalo Wild Wings for $11. I bought these months ago. First I bought one bag and I was snacking on them on the way out the store. I turned right back around and I went to buy several more bags. These are the only pretzels that I like. And so when I got home, I put them in the freezer and I was thinking, you know, I really should go back and get more. But I didn't go that day. I went the next day. Gone. I was walking around the bakery, looking up, down, looking in all the crevices. I'm thinking maybe someone stashed some behind something. They were gone. I was like, oh my goodness. So, I am happy to share with you the last bag of $1 pretzel bites. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna go warm them up and make some dip, and I'll be right back. Okay, I still have the laptop on because I've been watching videos from people who made filtration systems. I watched Lead Farmer 73. This is spicy mustard with dill. These are potatoes and veggies and almond milk. Other videos called Make Your Own Water Filter and Never Buy Drinking Water Again is on a channel called Jandai Life is Easy. This is good. Looks like people are using buckets and pans Someone is using the barrels to make a rainwater filter. There is a difference in these. Buffalo Wild Wings puts everything seasoning on their pretzel bites. But if the store brings these back for $1, I won't be going to Buffalo Wild Wings for these anymore. I can buy everything seasoning in the spice aisle for like $5. Well, thank you guys for joining me. I hope you enjoyed it. And thank you for listening to me talk. Whether or not you cared, it was nice to have you here. I hope you had something delicious to eat and that your day is going great. I hope you're staying sane among all the insanity happening around the world. I will catch you in the next video. Bye.